Word problem of subtraction.
Hello Uncle Thomas, how are you?
Hello Tom, I'm fine. Hey Tom, I have a small problem. Could you help me?
Yes, sure uncle, I would love to help you.
Okay. There are two types of flowers in my garden, rose and jasmine. I want to count them.
Okay,
And there are 567 flowers in total. Out of these, 144 are rose.
okay uncle. So, what do you want to know?
I need to find the number of jasmine flowers. Could you solve this problem?
Let's see. We have total number of flowers equals to 567 and number of rose flowers is equal to 144. So, the number of jasmine flowers are 567 minus 144. So, the number of jasmine flowers are 423.
Wonderful, Tom. You solved this problem so quickly. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Uncle Thomas.